Hello everyone, if you want to sell products or items on Temu, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. In order for this to work out, you need to use your browser. So go back to your screen and then go ahead to the Temu seller or seller.temu.com. Again, seller.temu.com, and you're gonna see the official website right here. Now what you're gonna do, let me make it wider so everybody can see it, or it doesn't work. Anyways, you're gonna go ahead to the official website and start selling to millions of buy on Temu. So if you want to join Temu to reach new customers today, you're gonna see right here the advantages: trading platform or trending platform, no upfront investment, benefit from low selling fees and zero advertising costs. So you can start selling without any initial expenses. If you want to know more, you can see the FAQs or the inquiries, so you can understand more about it. If you want to join in, you can just go ahead and start joining in Temu. It's a long process, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna enter the business location, right? Let's say United States, enter the email or phone number and then password, and then confirm password, and you're gonna start your journey selling products on Temu. So you have to go through the vetting process. They have to verify that this is your business, and they need to approve that this is your account, right? So you need to enter your, as you can see right here, also it is limited. So if you're not from one of those countries, European countries and the United States and the UK, then you won't be able to start selling products on Temu. So hopefully that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time.